Now in this video we will see the some more examples of the X of time variant and time invariant systems. Time variant and time invariant systems. Y of t is equal to x square of t. This is time invariant system. Next, y of t is equal to second. Y of t is equal to t into x of t. This is time variant system. Next, y of t is equal to x of 2t. Time variant system. Fourth, y of t is equal to e to the power of x of e to the power of minus x of t. It is time invariant system. Time invariant system. Next, fifth, y of t is equal to x square of t. This is time invariant system. Means this is output characteristics doesn't change with respect to the time. As sixth, y of t is equal to x of minus t. This is time variant system. As seventh, y of n is equal to, from this seventh examples we are seeing the discrete systems. Y of n is equal to g of n into x of n. This is time variant system. Next, y of n is equal to 3 into x of n. This is time invariant system. Next, ninth, y of n is equal to x of minus n. This is time variant system. Next, 10th, y of n is equal to 3 into x of n minus x of n minus 1. This is time invariant system. Next, observe this 11th and 12th examples are very small difference. In 11th example, y of n is equal to x square of n. Here function is squared. In 12th, x of n square, n parameter is squared. So observe these two. So 11th, x of y of n is equal to x square of n. This is time invariant system. But whereas in y of n is equal to x of n square is equal time variant system. So be careful these two. Next, y of n is equal to x of 2n minus k. This is time variant system. 14th, y of n is equal to n into x of n. This is time variant system. Next, 15th, y of n is equal to log of x of n. This is time invariant system. Next, y of n is equal to cos of x of n. This is time invariant system. Next, last example, y of n is equal to a into x of n. This is time invariant system. By seeing all this, wherever we are getting the time variant system means when the input is multiplied by the time factor, time parameter. If input is multiplied by time parameter or time is scaling, time scaling also, it is time variant. Next, time reversal. Time reversal also gives the time variant system. Next, any other function which is function of discrete time is multiplied or is involved in the question. Any other function with the function of discrete time, then that system will becomes time variant. This 7th example and similar example see here. 14th, here n is multiplied, so the system becomes time variant system. Next, time reversal also gives the time variant system. Next, time square. Discrete time is squared, means any square cube are available in discrete time, then the system becomes time variant system. Similarly, here we already seen time scaling. Time time scaling involved, then the system becomes time variant. Here other function n is present, so the system becomes time variant system. If you want, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and write to your notes. Write all this into your short notes.